Welcome to our DIY upcycled bookshelf tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transforming discarded wooden crates into a functional and stylish bookshelf for your home. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Wooden crates, as many as desired. Sandpaper. Wood stain or paint, optional. Mounting hardware, L brackets and screws. Screwdriver. A level. Wall anchors, if needed. Step 1. Begin by sanding the wooden crates to smooth out any rough edges or surfaces. This step ensures a clean and polished final look. Step 2. If desired, apply wood stain or paint to the wooden crates. This step adds a personal touch and enhances the overall aesthetic of your upcycled bookshelf. Step 3. Arrange the wooden crates in the desired configuration to form your bookshelf. Stack them vertically or horizontally, depending on your space and design preference. Step 4. Secure the wooden crates together using L brackets and screws. Make sure the crates are aligned and level before attaching them to each other. Step 5. Mount the upcycled bookshelf on the wall. Use a level to ensure it is straight, and use wall anchors if needed for extra stability. You can get creative with your upcycled bookshelf by adding decorative items or using crates of different sizes for a unique look. We'd love to see your innovative upcycled bookshelves. Share your creations on social media using the hashtag #UpcycledBookshelf. Thank you for joining us in creating this practical and eco-friendly upcycled bookshelf. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects and sustainable living ideas. Subscribe and like.